Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about outdoor lighting and how you can take a regular backyard patio dining area and turn it into an exquisite outdoor space. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're here today at another phase for the backyard patio lighting, and we're going to start with these branches that you see here. I purchased this branch from your local kind of like nursery, or you can go to your craft store and get a branch. This is a real authentic branch. I'm going to take it and I'm going to paint it as one of the elements for the backyard in terms of the lighting. I've taken my branches and I've placed them inside of this white pot that I've also painted, and there's an urn on the bottom of it. And so I've had mine for a few years. This is what it looks like after about 3 years. The paint peels off with all of the weathering and it needs to be painted again. So today we're going to take it and we're going to paint it before we actually adhere and put our lights on it. I've already prepped the ground because I'm going to use a can of spray paint. I'll show you guys what that spray paint looks like. So I've prepped the ground so that I can protect the concrete, and I've wrapped up a light behind there so that the light doesn't get damaged. And pretty much this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. Before, I still want some of the organicness of the wood to show through. I just like the color white, so that when the backyard is all said and done, everything is going to be white against whatever accent color I'm going to have, whether it's green, black, brown. I've already washed out some of the patio furniture, so that's waiting to be put back. That's actually going to be on another video. And we're going to get started. I'm using this can of Rust-Oleum spray paint. This is a satin finish. I've used a flat finish. You probably don't want to use a high gloss because you want it to look as natural as possible. And it's just a regular can of paint. You can pick this up at your local Home Depot, Lowe's, or your local hardware store. Here I've added the mercury bulbs that are solar as well, and at night when it comes on, it looks pretty darn good, guys. And to look out from the inside and see the backyard lit up in so many different places. But this is just walking up into the pool and the deck area, and I love the effect that this solar light has. I will link the description, give a link in the description box as well, and these were purchased on Amazon. The Christmas lights were placed on the globe, and I attached the gold chain to them. And guys, this isn't chain that I used I had extra from an install that we did of hanging these chandeliers, and there is a video that you can click on to see the actual light fixture, indoor light fixture that the chain came from. I'll leave a link in the description box as well. But now it's time to hang the globe lights, and so I'm checking out to see the positioning exactly how I want them hung. They are different sizes, 2 different sizes, so I just kind of like want to put them in random places, but at the same time I've got to keep in mind that since this is not a solar light fixture, it has to be plugged in. It's a hard wire, and so it has to be plugged in to an electrical outlet. I want to make sure that I'm thinking about that, where the wire is going to go, how I will conceal the wires. My thought for these overhead globes are to add an enormous amount of soft light in this particular area and create a ambiance of just relaxation. It's right adjacent to the dining area, so for outdoor dining, and I am loving this process. The globe lighting in the daytime is amazing. It gives such a contrast in color from the black, the white, and the green. And the wicker color, that tan color, it just adds the right amount of warmth to the space with it being outdoors, and it just gives that natural element. This outdoor dining light is from IKEA, and I absolutely love the texture in it. It's a half moon texture and design in the drum light. IKEA sells them in their indoor lighting department, but I'm using them for this outdoor dining area, and inside of it has a gold inlay, and the outside of it is white. It ties in with what we're doing in our outdoor dining space. So I'm going to hang these up, and I'm just adding 3 of them to give a dimension. They were spaced about 5 or 6 feet apart from each other because they need to cover the entire length of the dining table and add soft lighting. However, at night, it comes alive, and it is giving me everything, the entire vibe that I was actually looking for this space at night. Just hanging that wicker color globe with the lights, and I've placed them, guys, and I utilized a mechanism where I could even have the lights flicker if I decided to do that. But right now, they're in a still position, and it's just a different color, a different texture. It is amazing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos pertaining to lifestyle, decor, please subscribe and hit that ring notification so that you will not miss a video. Have a super day.